Imagine a bright workshop, metal on the bench, tools lined up, sparks ready to fly, but instead a steel. The project tonight is curiosity.
The human body. Think of metallurgy and female genital anatomy as two crafts that teach the same lessons.
Structure responds to heat and the art of careful shaping. Stay with me. This is about learning, delight, and respect, and it's probably more exciting than you expect. First, the blueprint. The vulva is the outer framework, like the casing of a finely made instrument. Inside, hidden like a precision filament, sits the clitoris, a highly sensitive organ with external and internal parts. Designed for sensation, the labia are protector flanges, soft and varied like sheet metal with endless shapes. The vagina is a resilient channel, elastic, that is contracted for option, pressure, and hormones. All of these parts have blood flow, nerves, and muscle tone. The body's own metallurgy. Heat, blood, cooling, rest, and change over time. Now the physics of arousal. In metallurgy, heat changes grain structure and makes metal malleable. In the body, increased blood flow and lubrication make tissues more responsive. That's not poetry, it's physiology. Arousal is a cascade. Nerves fire, vessels dilate, lubrication appears, muscles shift subtly. It's a process you can learn to recognize and support, not for, but guide.
So, how do you become a skilled craftsman of care and connection?
Think like a smith. Start slow, test your tools, listen to the material, ask for consent early, and use clear questions. May I explore? Tell me if you want me to slow down. Watch for feedback, words, breath, shifting posture, and match your approach. In metallurgy, every alloy needs the right temperature and timing. In intimacy, timing and patience make all the difference. Experiment like a curious engineer. Learn the names, use a mirror together. Try gentle warmth with your hands. Different pressures, varying rhythms, always checking in. Lubrication is like oil for moving parts. It reduces friction and increases comfort. Communication is the calibration gauge. When you both speak honestly, you can adjust pressure, speed, and angle with confidence. Finally, cherish the craft of repair and maintenance. Bodies change with age, stress, and cycles, like tempering steel. Health practices, sleep, hydration, stress management affect sensitivity and response. Be ready to adapt, to reinvent your approach, and to celebrate small discovery. When metallurgy meets human anatomy, something beautiful happens. We stop guessing and start learning. The most magnetic alloy in any partnership is patience, fused with curiosity, polished by consent, and finished with respect. Go home, read a clear anatomy guide, have an open talk with a partner, and treat learning as the most exciting tool in your body.